Hello everyone and welcome to this Han Solo cosplay tutorial. Now if you haven't watched part 1 and 2 yet, I would recommend doing that. In this video, however, I will make Han Solo's vest and the shirt. Let's go! First stop was the drawing board, where I drew a rough design and also patterns for all the pockets on the vest. I did some research on the look of these, so I will put some helpful links in the description of this video. Now a vest is basically a t-shirt with no arms and with an opening at the front. So not really like a t-shirt at all, but you can use one of your own as a helpful guide for the pattern. I transferred the pattern onto the fabric and altered it to become a vest. Remember the double layers for the lids of the pockets, and don't forget to add seam allowance when you cut. Pin together what you can so far and try it on carefully without stabbing yourself to see if it needs adjustments or if it's ready for the sewing machine. Don't forget the seam line over the chest. It's a small detail, but it tends to be overlooked. To be able to close the pockets and not have the flaps all over the place, I put some Velcro on the inside. One side on the pocket itself and the other side on the inner layer of the lid before sewing the lid pieces together. Actually, the pockets with lids are supposed to be vented and not sewn right by the edges, but I chose to do it this way because I would rather be safe than sorry. When the Velcro is on and all the pockets are ready to go, it's ready to make magic happen. Just make sure you don't sew it inside out. For the shirt, I chose to get a cheap and simple white button-up sweater from the men's section at H&M. However, Han Solo's shirt is not snowy white like this one, so I will color the shirt with some black tea for the beige aged look. First, I boiled some water in a big saucepan and added a bunch of black tea bags. I let them soak on a medium heat until the water had joined the dark side, before I put the shirt in. Let it sit at a low temperature until the color is transferred to the fabric. Don't forget that when the shirt dries, the color will be a lot brighter, so don't be scared of it becoming darker than you want. Rinse it with cold water and let it dry on a towel overnight. Yet another part is finished and it's coming together nicely. You can be sure that in a cosplay you can never have enough pockets. I hope you liked this video. For more, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and if you want to support my work, you can always get me a cup of coffee. All links are in the description below. Bye bye!